Characters: Max, a curious young boy; Luna, a smart young girl; Professor Orbit, a wise, friendly talking robot who guides them; Astro, a playful alien from another galaxy. Opening scene. Scene opens in Max and Luna's backyard at night. They look up at the stars. Max: wow, Luna, look at all those stars. I wish we could visit them all. Luna: me too, Max. But did you know that there are planets in our solar system that we can learn about first? A bright light flashes, and Professor Orbit appears. Professor Orbit: greetings, young explorers. I am Professor Orbit, and I can take you on a journey through the solar system. Astro: and I'm Astro. Let's blast off and meet the planets. Scene 2. The solar system tour begins. A spaceship appears, and they all hop inside. The spaceship zooms past the sun. Professor Orbit: before we begin, let's meet the heart of our solar system, the sun. It's a giant, fiery ball of gas that gives us light and heat. Astro: whoa, it's super hot. Let's not get too close. Scene 3. Mercury, the speedy planet. They arrive at Mercury. Luna: it looks so rocky and dry. Professor Orbit: that's right. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's the smallest and has no air to breathe. Max: so, no picnic here. Astro: nope. Let's move on. Scene 4. Venus, the hottest planet. They fly to Venus, surrounded by thick clouds. Professor Orbit: Venus is the hottest planet because of its thick clouds that trap heat. Luna: it looks beautiful but dangerous. Astro: yikes, let's keep going. Scene 5. Earth, our home. They arrive at Earth and wave. Max: that's home. Professor Orbit: the only planet with life, water, and breathable air. Luna: we must take care of it. Scene 6. Mars, the red planet. They land on Mars. Professor Orbit: Mars is called the red planet because of its iron-rich soil. Astro: there might be tiny microbes here. Max: maybe one day, people will live here. Scene 7. Jupiter, the giant planet. They arrive at Jupiter. Luna: whoa, it's huge. Professor Orbit: Jupiter is the biggest planet with a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. Astro: it's like a never-ending hurricane. Scene 8. Saturn, the ring beauty. They reach Saturn and admire its rings. Professor Orbit: Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. Max: it looks like a giant hula hoop. Scene 9. Uranus, the tipped-over planet. Luna: why is Uranus sideways? Professor Orbit: a big space rock knocked it over a long time ago. Astro: that must have been a huge crash. Scene 10. Neptune, the windy planet. They arrive at Neptune. Professor Orbit: Neptune is the farthest planet and has the fastest winds. Max: whoa, I'd fly away if I lived here. Ending scene. The spaceship returns to Earth. Luna: that was the best space adventure ever. Professor Orbit: and remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Astro: see you next time, space explorers. The screen fades to a twinkling starry sky as a cheerful planet song plays.